Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase financial security with USAA beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the USAA website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the financial planning section. Explore the various services offered, such as banking, insurance, and investment options. Consider setting up direct deposit for your income. This will help you manage your funds and save for future needs. Next, review the types of insurance available. Look into auto and home policies that can provide you with peace of mind. Assess your current insurance coverage. Ensure that it meets your needs and protects your assets adequately. Consider setting up an emergency fund with USAA's savings account. A good rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Explore USAA's investment services. Start investing in mutual funds or ETFs if you're comfortable. Utilize the budgeting tools available on their platform. This can help you track your spending and savings effectively. Take advantage of their educational resources. Read articles and watch videos to increase your financial literacy. Consider speaking to a financial advisor through USAA. They can provide personalized advice based on your situation. Regularly review your financial goals. Make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your objectives. Stay informed about any changes in USAA's services or offers. This ensures you're getting the best benefits available. Finally, commit to ongoing financial education. Continued learning will enhance your ability to make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.